And out to the petroleum industry, the Nigeria Upstream Petroleum Regulatory Commission says it is at the final and exhaustive phase in its regulation development to support the upstream sector. A 3-day stakeholder consultation forum on the draft regulations and Petroleum Industry Act is expected to bring to a conclusion the Commission's consultation with stakeholders. Celestina Area reports.
It is the second phase of the NUPRC consultation with stakeholders on the development of regulations as mandated by Section 216 of the PIA. It is targeted at creating an enabling environment for growth and investment in the upstream oil and gas industry in Nigeria by ensuring regulations and key policies necessitated by the PIA are developed and gazetted in time so that the industry operators can align their operations with the PIA provisions as quickly as possible. The inputs of the stakeholders from that engagement were incorporated in the draft regulations and forwarded to the Attorney General of the Federation for vetting and approval. The NUPRC is now holding yet another stakeholders consultation today prior to finalizing the following draft regulations: Drilling and Production Regulations, Upstream Petroleum Environmental Regulations, Upstream Petroleum Environmental Remediation Funds Regulations, Upstream Petroleum Safety Regulations, Unitization Regulations, Upstream Petroleum Decommissioning and Abandonment Regulations, and Frontier Exploration Fund Regulations.
Part of the procedure for making regulations under the PIA underscores the effort of the current administration at encouraging a collaboration in rulemaking for effective implementation and sustainable compliance by all stakeholders to the regulations.
Regulations and key practices necessitated by the PIA are developed and gazetted timely so that the industry operation can align their operation with the PIA provision as quickly as possible.
Theory and practice of administrative rule has shown that when regulated entities are part of the process of regulation making, compliance can be reached by 90%. Effective regulations are key in enhancing the gains of the Petroleum Industry Act, and the government has a duty to ensure sound management of the oil and gas sector due to the role it plays in the generation of revenue of the country. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.